includes 21 attractions in Kuala Lumpur. Itinerary is simply incredible, bringing together the best of the city in a practical guide full of unmissable experiences. It makes it easy to visit the iconic Petronas Towers, the mysterious Batu Caves and the vibrant Chinatown, as well as including exclusive tips to enjoy every corner of KL without complications. Me and my partner did this day tour today. And we had such an amazing time, to say the least. Our tour guide Dinesh was amazing. So informative and friendly, and gave us the best experience we could have ever asked for. 10/10 highly recommend, a great way to see KL in one day. I recently took this tour, and it was an amazing experience. Since the group tour required at least 2 people, I opted for a private tour, and I'm so glad I did. My driver, Jay, was fantastic, friendly, professional, and knowledgeable about the city's history. He provided great insights at each stop and even helped take amazing photos. The itinerary was well planned, covering must-see landmarks like the Petronas Towers and cultural sites. The private setting allowed me to explore at my own pace. I highly recommend this tour for anyone looking for a personalized and insightful way to experience Kuala Lumpur. Yati, our tour guide, was very accommodating and on time. She also explained the history of the places that we visited. The tour was also worth it because we were able to visit multiple attractions in just one day. Our trip today was absolutely marvelous. Our driver was exceptional, friendly, professional, and incredibly knowledgeable about Kuala Lumpur. He went above and beyond, explaining everything there is to know about the city's history, culture, and hidden gems. His helpfulness and passion made the experience truly unforgettable. The ride was smooth, comfortable, and well planned, allowing us to explore the best of KL without any hassle. We highly recommend this service to anyone looking for an insightful and enjoyable tour. Thank you for an amazing experience. Was picked up by Mr. J Yao, and he was kind to share not only information about different places but also clicking pictures and taking us to good spots of clicking a pic. Time given for each spot was sufficient. Our guide/driver was Raghu, and he was very knowledgeable and helpful. He gave us advice on safety and clear instructions at each location to ensure the group tour went smoothly. It was well planned that we did Batu Caves in the morning to avoid the crowds and the rain. It's good the tour included many locations, especially for those visitors like us visiting for a short time. Highly recommended for those time-tight travelers. Also great to be transported in comfortable air-conditioned minivan to avoid the heat. We had an amazing visit to Malaysia, and our entire trip was beautifully managed by Prima. She ensured we had a fantastic experience, taking us around the city and helping us explore all the key attractions. Prima was incredibly knowledgeable and explained everything in great detail, making the tour both enjoyable and insightful. The city tour covered 21 absolutely stunning attractions, and thanks to Prima's guidance, we didn't miss a thing. Her friendly and helpful nature made the trip even more special. I'm really happy with their service and would highly recommend anyone visiting Malaysia to take this tour. It's an experience you won't forget. Had a great experience and learning about Malaysia thanks to our tour guide/driver Beryl. His tips and suggestions on where to eat and buy stuff were good. He speaks good English, which is a huge plus. Also, our pickup and drop-off was out of the city center, so we requested it, for an extra charge. They message for updates through WhatsApp, so do check it before the trip. Thank you Wayne for the awesome Malaysia tour. Mr. Dinesh was our tour guide and our driver. He is nice and he explained all the things from the places we went. On the last tour was our drop-off point. I even forgot my things in his car and he called me just to give it back, which is really nice of him. We enjoyed the city tour. Light and relaxed way to cover attractions/points of interest. It's certainly good for those who doesn't want to stay a long time in one place. Mr. J Yao the driver is a good guy.